Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 3 of Visit to Jaipur. Here is one short and very interesting warm-up activity. Let's see. Tick the mode of transport that you would use to travel long distances. Discuss your choices in class. So you have to tick the mode of transport which you have to use when you travel long distance. Okay, students. So what is transport? Transport, vehicle that you travel in. What is transport? The vehicle which you travel in. So, there is 4 mode of transports. Number 1 is railways, number 2 roadways, number 3 airways and number 4 waterways. Let's see here. This is boat. बोट कहाँ पर चलती है? पानी में. So this is waterways. Train. Train is railways. यह ट्रेन कहाँ पर चलती है? ट्रेन का अपना अलग रास्ता होता है. एयरप्लेन. दिस इज एयरवेज. क्रूज शिप एंड दिस इज वाटरवेज. क्रूज शिप कहाँ चलती है? पानी में, वाटर. ऑटो रिक्शा. दिस इज रोडवेज. बुलोक कार्ट एंड दिस इज रोडवेज. ये पहले के जमाने में यही मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट होता था. For roadways. Okay. Let us read the letter that Riya writes to Raja about her trip to Jaipur. Here is 2 characters. One is Riya, another Raja. So Riya writes a letter about her trip to Jaipur. To Fairview Apartment, Kolkata, 21st March 2019. Dear Raja, how are you? I have been missing you very much since you left school and joined Seven Oaks School in London. Do you like your new school? Have you made some new friends there? Earlier this month we had a long break. My dad decided to take us all to Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. For a few days we wanted to enjoy some Rajasthani food and catch a glimpse of Rajasthani culture. From Kolkata we took a plane to New Delhi and then hired a car till Jaipur. Though Jaipur has a large airport, we wanted to enjoy a road trip. You see, Dad has booked 2 rooms in the tourist lodge run by the Rajasthani Tourism Board. We arrived in the evening and decided to rest for the night. Early next morning, we went to visit the Amber Fort. We took a taxi to this beautiful fort that was about 10 kilometers away from our hotel. Dad hired a local guide who took us about this old fort and its history as we walked to the fort. Look at here in your book. This is Amber Palace. So, Dad hired a local guide. Who is guide? Person who takes tourists around. The person who takes tourists around, that is called guide. That person is called guide. The magnificent fort comprises a palace complex built from pale yellow and pink stones. This palace complex is divided into 4 sections, each with its own courtyard. We entered Amber Fort through the Suraj Pole Sun Gate, which leads to the Jaleb Chowk main courtyard. This area could be viewed by women. So here Riya shared her travel experience with Raja. She said that she arrived in the evening and decided to rest for the night, and next morning they went to visit the Amber Fort. So her dad hired a local guide who told us about the history of that fort. So this beautiful Amber Palace comprises a palace complex built from yellow and pink stones. This complex is divided into 4 sections and they entered this Amber Fort through the Suraj Pole. This is Sun Gate, which leads to the Jaleb Chowk. This is main courtyard, and this Amber Fort section divided into 4. But they entered this beautiful palace from Suraj Pole, that is called Sun Gate, and that leads to the Jaleb Chowk. And this area could be viewed by women. So the person the person who takes tourists around, that person is called guide.